If you got a data set that has contour lines and the contour lines have text labels, like I have here, and those contour lines are flat or have no elevation, you can use the contour by label command on the data prep tab to quickly elevate these. So if I select contour elevations by label, you're going to pick the contours and the elevation labels. So I can do the by layer command, and I can select this object. So let's go ahead and pick that layer, and I can pick the text as well. So I've got the major and the major text, and I'll click close. You'll also notice if there's a break, which there isn't in my case, but if there was, it would join the contours across the label. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click apply, and it's going to elevate just those contours that have the labels. So now I could come in here and elevate the other contours, intermediate contours, using the contour by crossing command.